Please like this video. Please subscribe and share your any friends this study. Okay, this is very easy. Hello, welcome to this progress is step by step. How to step by step for increase progress. This is class 15 Excel Vba study class 15 and this code. Okay, and continue to 51 class. This class 15 continue to 51 class. Please some this class step by step. Okay, one form. This is form. Okay, this form and name no and first some big and set your label. This label black color, dark blue, name note and label settings width now 20. Any no problem. Okay, width 20. Height 20. Okay, this small. Okay, and copy paste 7. Copy paste 1 2 3 4 paste 5. Copy paste 10. Label 6 to label 12. 1 550. Okay, 1 label 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 40 40 50. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now set we are the set left. Okay, left this is set left set 0. Okay, this left set 0, left set 20 20 40 40 60 80 100 110 100 20 120 150 150 പിന്നെ 100 40 60 180. Now this and full selected and black size and black color white bold color white and 1. Okay, and top go to top. This is inside farm top is to 0. Now okay, top 0. This is top 0 and checked. they want to. Okay. Now any big no problem. Now you are steady to Sobagi survey. Okay. Now go to this syst label 6250. Okay, go to one command button. Any first click no problem. Okay. The cancel. See private sub label visible false. Say right here. Okay, this is one. Oh, right here and copy visible. Okay, false and full visible false. Order skip right and right label 62 label 50 is false and copy and go one command what I just fit is here check test command what okay test okay call okay the okay and we to dim a variable declaration dim pro pro bar pro b pro okay no pro as integer okay pro as integer okay where go to one this model one right we are go to user form any click okay now change pro bar valve okay okay now is some code here okay SELECT select gaze pro and SELECT select okay this rate and SKC gaze one oh right oh okay now typing problem this is model rate and skipped rate okay write this model and label true and full rate skip rate okay and rate 6 through 7 through 8 through 9 through and 50 through is all rate okay this step is through case 1 2 3 4 and okay now we this case prio is a integer okay this integer now we go to some steady to only this test okay state steady to this paste okay now call copy cut and installation here okay false. Okay, and command button pro. Command button here, command button pro. Okay, summum equal pro plus 1. Okay, this rate and rate pro bar copy call this pro. Okay, pro bar value. Okay, now we checking what is this checking. Okay, this now pro copy installation 0. No 0. Okay, now check 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 8. Okay, 9. This one is a problem. Was no? 6 is 7. Okay, what is 7? 1 8. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 7 here. Here is a okay. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, now steady. Okay, okay, now this is test. Okay, this including year year year. Okay, year. We go to this label for English for year and if b big to I on this year. Oh, in the step take this heat. Okay, no problem. Any no problem. This e equal to 21. E equal to 25. Okay, this divide 10. No problem. Yes, you understand divide. I divide. Okay, okay, understanding. Okay, 10. It's a 10 label. Okay, this label 10. Okay, 10 label. So 10 more e above 1 e l yes e equal e plus 1 and if okay, this is a one code. Take after we go to this call focus your this copy. This is a copy no, so full copy no problem. And command button here paste. Full copy no one go this only this copy no problem. Disable label disable false. Oh, okay, this copy and go to this cut and here we are getting this here. Okay, understand? No, simple is you think about what is now written this code. This code is this code this class 15 class Excel Vba 15. This class 51 added. This only added this. This added here and only this added. No problem. This added here. This no problem. This added. Okay. Need this copy. Here copy. Okay. Here copy here no problem. This is full setup, not this is copy. Here this copy, no problem. This is action go up. Okay. Now code finished. No doubt. This is a new code. This is a new code. This is a new two. And here this is a new this class. And this is a new this is new. Any no problem. And this is a new only. One checking. That is this mode checking. This oh no, one okay, one this label here. It's a big okay, now check 10 checking. Okay, 10. Okay, it's simple. You understand this step any then now 10 term 12 100 50 no problem label. This is understand this small. Okay. And okay. This now oh now this cancel no problem. No, this is not cancel. This cancel. Okay. Okay. This is a bit long data is a time. Okay. Please like you this video. Please subscribe and share your any friends this study. Okay. This is very easy. Okay. This is 100 not some. This is command button 1. Okay. Now we'll command button 1 to checking. Okay. Come. Oh. Okay. No problem. Okay. This is we check together. Testing. Okay. No problem. Yeah. Oh, PVC. Check here. This is 10 cm. Okay. 20, 30. Okay. Okay. This video is wind up. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe and like. Okay.